I'll guide you through how to sell digital products on Shopify. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing. And once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like. And let's get right into this guide.
So we start off on the main page of our Shopify account. We scroll down to apps and open this up. At the top, we write digital download, press enter, and it will take us to this page. I will choose this app because I have used it before and I know that in fact it's developed by Shopify. You just press add app. It will redirect you to another screen. You get here, you go to the top right and you press install app. After you are done with this, you wait for it to load again. It might take a few seconds and it will take you to this page right here. So I have already created some products that are not meant to be used as digital files, and I need to create another one to be used as a digital product for my web page. I go over to products and I press add product. After I have done this, I can give it any title I wish. For example, I can call it graphic photo design. I can do all of these. I can write a description. I can change anything. I can add a media. I'll go to quick access and add a graphic that I've done. After I'm done with all of these, the graphic will be added. You scroll down and you find this shipping option. You make sure that you select the digital product or service. After you have done that, you just press save. I just press save. And as you can see, it will bring me to this new page. I go to the top and I press more actions and I press add a digital file. When I press this, it will bring me here. I can press add files and I can add the same photo, or I can add ebook, I can add a PDF file, I can add a video, I can add anything that I want to. I simply add the photo. I wait for it to load and I press save. And you can go into the settings option called fulfillment and do some edits on it. You can select whether you want to send it automatically upon order or manually, and also you can set a download limit. You can make it unlimited, or you can uncheck this and write how many max downloads you wanted to have. For example, let's say 5. And I want to send mine manually. I press apply at the bottom. I save the changes on the top right. There's also more actions here. I can create a download link which I can use to send the order manually. As you can see, you can use download links to manually send digital files at any time. I just copy the link and I send it to my customer. When they order, they will be taken to another page as a download page, or the picture or any digital product will be delivered to their email. That is it. Thank you.